Hey everybody, I just wanted to come online and talk about the Arts Literacy Project. I know we were supposed to do this in class as one of our last class times, but plans have changed. So we're going to do it a little bit different. This was supposed to be a really fun time for us, just a last hoorah in class. I always bring some snacks and we just have a really fun, just laid back time, just having good laughs, good times, but oh well. So I'm coming to you from my house, even though things are crazy and I know your schedules are very overwhelming right now. I hope you are enjoying some family time and are taking some time to take care of yourself and take some breaks throughout all of your work. So with that being said, we are keeping the same groups. We picked groups way back in January, if you can remember that. If you scroll way down in the announcements page, I did post those groups if you have forgotten about that. But also, I have broken your groups up here on Canvas. So what you want to do, and this is my page, but that's okay, it's kind of the same. What you want to do is on this side of your screen, you want to click on People. My internet's running a wee bit slow today. All right, so once you click on People, you're going to see a tab that says Arts Literacy Showcase. Click on that. I think you will be able to see everybody's group like this. Once you click on a group, you can see who is in each group. So what you will do is you will just click until you find your group. So there are 6 groups. There's a random cat in my yard. Sorry, it's distracting me. Sometimes it's a little harder to work from home than it is being in school. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to take group 1 for example, and you can see the different groups. If you are not assigned to that group, then you cannot get into that group. So I'm just going to take Hudson for example. Hudson's assigned in group 1, so Hudson can't get in group 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I don't know, sorry about that. I don't know if some of you have ever worked in groups before on Canvas, but if you have, then you definitely know more than me. And if you haven't, well, then we're working through this together. All right, so group 1, what you want to do is you want to click. I don't know if it says visit group homepage on yours or not, but I know it does on mine. So you can already see I've put up an announcement, and that's me. I'm allowed to be in everyone's group, so yay for me. Okay. So on the announcement, that's from me, and I'm going to talk about how we're going to do this project, okay? You're going to discuss the project with your group, which is what we would have done in class anyways. You've had 2 opportunities to work on this in class, so I hope you took advantage of those opportunities. I tell you how to work the discussion board underneath groups, okay? This isn't like the discussion board where you have those 4 questions to answer. This is different, okay? So for the Art Literacy Project, you're going to work the discussion board, and you can see that you are in groups, okay? So what you want to do is you're going to click on discussion, and I'll show you that later. All right, and this is what I want you to discuss. What type of art is your project? And these were the categories. Discuss what book you're going to use. Discuss the grade level. Discuss the standard. And then discuss your activity. After you have a good discussion going, one person from your group, just one, not all of you, just one, will click on this link below and you will complete the Google form, okay? This project is due by 11:59, Monday, April 13th. And of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. All right, so these are all the things that we have been discussing anyways, so it's not really that new to you. And as I'm reading over this, I realized I forgot to insert the standards for you, so I will go back and do that. Okay, so you're going to click on discussions. There's 2 ways that you can add a discussion here. You can click right here on this red plus discussion, and you can add a discussion. It'll come up like that. You can put in a topic, and start your discussion. Make sure you hit save and publish. Or I'm going to go back over here. Yes, please leave. I have not done anything. Or you can just, where am I? Pinned. Oh, here we are, right here. Well, it's not showing up for me because I've already put a discussion in. Right here, there is click here to start discussion in the middle. You can go right here and click to start a discussion. All right. And I just put, if you have any questions, please email me here, or you can just ask it here in the discussions. I'll be monitoring everyone's discussion. So does that mean you have to sit at your computer, 15 hours a day waiting on, someone from your group to post something? No, that's not what that means. It just means I wrote something here, so, I might check back tomorrow and see if anybody else wrote something, okay? You do not have to sit at your computer all day long waiting for someone, okay? But make sure everybody from your group does input something, okay? That way everybody can get a grade. All right, so let's go back. I'm going to show you the Google form. It's very simple. Alrighty, so you just click here. It should take you straight to it. And it even tells you, please have one person. All right, and that's it. Here you will list everyone in your group. So you just type in your answers. What category does your project fall under? You just click. Please list the title and author of your book, the grade level, the standard that your group chose, and please describe your activity. Do not put, we will read our book and make up a song. No. I need a little bit more than that, okay? Please give me as much detail as possible. I'll repeat that. Please give me as much detail as possible. We will read our book and glue paper down and put dots on it. No. I need just a little bit more than that, okay? All right, so that's a really simple form, and then you will just submit, and then it'll come straight to me, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, please email me. I will help you, and I will also, like I said, be checking back in the discussions to make sure everybody is participating, and if you have any questions. And like I said, I know I clicked on group 1, but this is in every group. Let me just go to group 3. See, group 3 has the same thing. So I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. And like I said, if you need anything, please email me. All right, that is all. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.